If you want to create something for an unexpected visitor, here is a recipe using condensed milk. I'm going to show you how to do condensed milk bowls. For this recipe, I'm using half a can condensed milk with a pinch of bicarbonate of soda, 1 gram salt, 1 egg, enough self-raising flour to make a dough. If you're using plain flour, make sure to add about half a teaspoon of baking powder into it. So let's start doing this. First, add the condensed milk into a mixing bowl. Now into that, break the egg. And when you get the baking soda, make sure that you get only what you get to a tip of a knife. Add in. Now into the mixing bowl, add about half a cup of flour and start mixing. So add a bit more flour. Keep on kneading, adding flour until you get the right consistency like the normal dough. When it comes to a consistency like this, stop adding flour and keep on kneading. If it is only runny, you need to add the flour. Once the dough is ready, take it out. Now add some flour onto the bench and put the dough onto the bench. Now cut the dough into pieces and then roll it into a log. Cut small pieces like this and then roll it to a dough ball and put them into a bowl. Make sure that you don't make bigger ones. Like this. Add some oil into a pan and check whether it's hot. After, add the prepared balls into it. When you fry it, always make sure that you stir so it fries equally. When you fry, it will open. It is normal. So fry on a very low heat. So they are ready. It's a very quick snack that you can prepare very quickly. And if I open, it has a nice crunch and soft middle, and make sure to cook on a very low flame. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.